I'm currently on a television show right now called Family Reunion for Netflix. I play Coco, this free-spirited mom to 4 beautiful children. I also have my own YouTube channel called T. Mowry's Quick Fix, in which I provide quick life hacks, whether that's for beauty, for putting meals and food on the table for your family. I just finished shooting a movie for Lifetime called A Very Vintage Christmas that will be out November 27th around the holidays. So make sure you check that out. My whole entire family, we love to cook, and I really think that inspiration came from my mom and my dad. It was important to bring everybody together and just connect and create memories, and cooking was how we did that. I grew up eating pancakes on the weekends. That's just something that I did with my family, so it's no surprise that now I've carried on that tradition and I now make pancakes on the weekends. We call it Pancake Sunday at my house. I'm really excited to be partnering up with Quaker. I have this incredible recipe in which I make my banana chocolate oat pancakes, and I use Quaker oats instead of flour, and instead of using dairy, I will make my own oat milk. They've conducted this incredible survey where they found some really interesting breakfast trends, and some trends that stood out for me would definitely have to be 76% of Americans, and I'm a part of this statistic, would love to have breakfast for dinner. 3% of Americans would love to try or have hot sauce on their oatmeal. That's interesting. And nearly half of Americans enjoy the over-the-top savory breakfast. They have a promotion going on right now where you can submit your own original recipe using any of the Quaker Oats products, and you'll have a chance at winning $1,000, which is really cool. But I think what's even cooler is your recipe will also maybe have the opportunity to show up in Quaker Oats cookbook. And if you want to know more about that, just go to cookwithquaker.com.